Okay, hear me out. I think this is actually gonna look really cool. I've been doing spikes so much recently, and when I saw these individual lashes, I thought, yeah. So I maybe purchased backups of the entire collection, but we don't need to talk about that. What I do want to discuss is I got some essentials from Blend Bunny. Blend Bunny, love you so much. Ellis, also congrats again on this collab. Both of you, congrats. This collection also, wow, wear it all the time. Specifically though, I knew I needed to have the individual lashes, more of them. So I bought a couple backups, and also because I want to be able to travel with them because the case is magnetic and you're meant to put your lashes back in the case. Anywho, I'm trying to get into lashes, okay? I'm scared, and I think these are perfect. I also got some tape because I think that will be really handy for some looks coming up. Oh, and I did grab the complexion brush because many moons ago, I remember when this came out and I was like, oh, I should grab that. I think it was with the Forget Me Not palette that it launched, and I got that in PR, and I was like, oh, I should buy the brush, and I kept forgetting. Anyway, I bought the brush. Did you need the entirety of the background of that story? No, but I'm very excited to try this. Anywho, cute paper, we love to see it. So here's the thing. Woo! Seriously stunning. Look at that. This packaging, dude, that is the box, not even the box. Like, there's the box inside here. The unicorn, as they say. This is the Starburst oh my god. Starburst Lash Clusters. Vegan and cruelty free, duh. Cover art. Ooh, by Starlit Illustrated. Love that. Oh my god, giving artists credit. Incredible. Some brands could never. Ugh, get out of the box. Oh my god, the packaging got better. Yes. Slay. Literally slay. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. This is quality. Oh, this is quality. Oh yeah. That's nice. This is nice. Not that it wouldn't be, but you know. All right, so I'm just gonna take one like in the center, just essentially wherever I used to put my spikes, I'm gonna put these. I don't know if I've ever worn individual lashes, and I've applied them on my friends. I've applied them on other people that I was doing makeup on, like myself though, no. I think I need tweezers for this one. I'm also gonna take my eyeshadow just a little bit lower, just a little bit. I'm just gonna smoke it out just a little bit more. Oh yeah. Yeah, like there. Ooh, I of course use this palette today. Now, I don't know. I'm so glad I caught that. Could you imagine if I just lost it? I would cry. Maybe I just wing it. Wait, which way did the lashes go though? They curl this way. Okay, so I would need to put it on that way. Okay, I'm a professional. I can do this. They're little. When you wake up next to him in the middle of the night. I truly don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try together. You and me. You and me and you, we are us together. What is that from? I'm using the Melt Lash Glue because I have it and I have used it before and I do like it. I took Saint lashes from Blend Bunny actually, took a chunk of it and put it on the outside and I was like, damn, that looks really cool. So maybe this is begin. Okay, which one do they go again? Which way do they go? Do not drop this, bitch. You know when lash people are like, and they look so cute, just being like, just letting my lashes dry. But should you not blow your spit on these? I don't know. Waiting for them to get tacky. I'm waiting for the lashes to get tacky. La 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 la. I don't know, man. Is that enough? I feel like I'm not going to be able to really show you how I do this because I'm going to need to get like really close to the mirror. So bear with me. Haha. That's probably good, right? Right? Wait, should I look up more or down more? I don't know. Oh. Bitch. Yeah, dude. Oh my god, yes. Sorry, but that's literally precious. That is so cute. Another. Again! Okay, so the lashes go this way, so put and hold them this way. Okay. Oh, me with my dainty lashes? To serve. Dry, dry, dry. I just fling it across the room. Across the room, like it would even get that far. Think about physics. That wouldn't happen. It would just drop. Okay, great. Good talk. La 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 la. Wow, I'm impatient. What if I just put it on now? No, I should wait just a little bit longer. Oh my god, it's literally so cute. It's literally so cute. Okay, let me do the other eye. Period. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this looks so cool. Unfortunately, I fear that I will want to do this every day, and it's a little more tedious than just like putting a spike down, I think. Like when I do my spikes, it takes me no time at all. This, while the effect is literally phenomenal, will I do it every day? Maybe. Could I? For sure. I don't need an excuse to wear lower lash eyelashes. I have like stream this evening and work until the wee hours of the night, per usual. So like I'm very much a big believer in like wear the makeup you want to wear when you want to wear it. You don't need an excuse kind of deal. These though, wow. I love how that looks. Phenomenal job, phenomenal individual lashes. Obviously I haven't tried like any individual lashes. What I will say though is I like the way that they're shaped in kind of like a triangular, kind of like there's shorter ones and then the taller ones in the middle. And I like how there's like a varying bit to them. They don't seem like perfectly identical, although I think that they kind of are. Like they have the same shape. Maybe there's a difference between them. I actually don't know. What I do know is this one over here is my favorite. And I don't know why. This just looks so cute. This looks so freaking cute. I want to do this every day. I love this so much. God, I love when you do something for the first time with makeup and you're like, sick. I'm obsessed with this. Cool. Great. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content and I will see you in the next video. Bye. This whole collection looks incredible, if I do say so myself.